quality in terms of delivering our education. So for grade 7, if you are already experiencing assessment like PISA-like test questions, that is a very good avenue and experience for you so that in the coming future, every after 3 years, we can attend, maybe your school will be selected as a sample school, you will not anymore be a tabula rasa. Or let's say wala na kayong alam about PISA. So you have been exposed to PISA-like questions, you have been practiced in terms of the utilization of digital literacy because starting 2022, if I'm not mistaken, PISA was already implemented or conducted through online platform. So those are the things that the Department of Education is trying to mold among our students. Not only that you are eligible in terms of the content, but even to prepare you in the international arena for you to compete globally and not only locally. Thank you.
Thank you very